covered the wizard commands, we showed you a wizard that checks if the customer grades the service less than or equal to 3. And if so, it sends an email to the sales representative to follow up on the customer. In the following demo, we'll show you an improved version of this wizard, in which the values are extracted from an Excel sheet. Let's first take a look at the Excel sheet we're about to use in the wizard. As you can see, we have 2 columns, customer name and customer grade, and 9 rows of data. First, we replace the set value command with the copy from Excel command. We browse to select the file we want to use, then define the worksheet name in the appropriate field. For more accuracy, use the Select in Excel option. This option allows you to choose the exact values from the Excel when the file is closed. Click Select in Excel. Mark only the cells you want to extract data from. You see which cells range you have selected. You can edit your selection or keep it. Once you're done, click OK. We set the range of cells to collect the data from column 1, row 2. If you don't have a limit to your selection, you can leave the other 2 fields empty. In other words, it will be like telling the robot that you don't know where the file ends, so collect the data if it exists. Test your selection before you continue to make sure you set the right values. We set the command to return the value in the variable customer and separate the column by the semicolon delimiter and the rows with the underscore. Now that we have the Excel command, we remove the set value commands. To see the results of the first command, we're adding a show message command. Now we're adding a loop command that runs as long as the variable customer contains a semicolon. In the loop, we're adding a split command that splits the variable customer into 2 variables. This command starts to split the rows to separate between the customers in the list and splits it into first customer and customer variables by the underscore delimiter. We're adding another split command that splits the customer name from the customer grade, so the if-else command will be able to check what the customer grades the service. We'll add a show message command to check if the split command works as we planned. We drag the if-else command and drop it in the loop, so the wizard will continue to run the if-else command when it checks if the customer requires follow-up. We drag the email notification set value command and show message command that displays at the bottom, so the if-else command will continue to send emails about unsatisfied customers. We drop those commands in the first part of the if-else command and move the continue wizard command below them. From the else part of the if-else command, we remove the end wizard command since we want the wizard to continue running as long as there are customers in the list. We click Do It to run the wizard. First, we see the results from the collected variable customer as collected from the Excel sheet. Now we see the first split. The wizard checks the customer grade, and since it's 1, the result is the email notification. In this case, we can see that the customer grade was 4, so the wizard returns the result, customer is satisfied. Thanks for watching.